मेरे लाइफ में दोस्तों की जगह बहुत ज्यादा है। एक्शन, इमोशन, एवरीथिंग। आई क्वाइट लाइक पीसी, प्रियंका चोपड़ा। आई एम अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ सैफ, बट मैं निकली शानी। I traveled by train and I spent that money on party.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Lifestyle. How are you? How is life treating you?
Life is very good, thank you. How are you?
Great, and you look beautiful as always.
Thank you.
Yeah, so congratulations on your new projects. And first of all, I want to talk about the secrets of Kiradar. So, how is it mystery, adventure, and discovery? I want to know the insights of it. So, what made you say yes to it?
Well, I think it's a great and unique blend of history and fiction. We've
Mhm.
not seen history woven with fiction very often. I think this is happening for the first time in Hindi web, and I'm very excited because Aditya is, he has his, this is his playground, and I feel he handles mystery, history,
Yeah.
plus thrillers very well, and this is completely his playground, and we are very happy to be his players.
Yeah, he creates magic, with Munja also we saw
Yeah.
that. It's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj ka khazana आप लोग ढूंढने निकले, we saw in the trailer. So, audience आपसे क्या expect कर सकती है? What kind of role are you playing and how is it going to be?
Uh, my character is called Priyal. She is she's sort of a girl full of chaos around her. Her mind is also a little unsettled all the time. ये ऐसा क्यों है आपको 31st Jan को ही पता चलेगा, लेकिन there are a lot of layers to this character. I've done
Hmm.
action which I really like.
Oh, wow.
I enjoy doing action. So इस बहाने मुझे एक्शन करने मिला, which I'm really really happy about. And I think people should expect a lot of twists and turns and a lot of thrills, lot of magical moments, action, emotion, everything.
You were working with Rajiv Khandelwal, and how is the bonding and the camaraderie on the sets like?
Oh, amazing. We became friends by the end of the shoot, and it was a really challenging shoot because the locations are very difficult to shoot at.
Hmm.
We shot on multiple locations. We had gone to Hampi, we had gone to Badami, then we shot some part at Raigad. So it was fantastic. और हमारे सेट्स भी लगे थे, केव
Alright.
के सेट्स लगे थे. देन इट वाज रियली, आई मीन, विजुअली लोगों को बहुत मजा आने वाला है. समथिंग
खजाना,
दैट,
यू नो
या
दिमाग में
या
आता है कि
समथिंग
हमें ही कहीं मिल जाए यहाँ पे.
समथिंग दैट देव नेवर सीन बिफोर. लेकिन ऐसा लगता है, पता है, हमें भी मिल जाए. लेकिन व्हेन सो वी हैड अ सीन एट अ ट्रेजर रूम, ओके.
Yeah.
Seeing all that khazana, we thought कि करेंगे क्या इसका, रखेंगे कहाँ, you know. So we were slammed with new emotions also. So as an actor, it was a very enriching experience, I must say.
Yeah. Also, say hats off to your stylist, and your style statement is absolutely impeccable. I mean, you absolutely nail every look of yours. How gracefully, I mean, you put it out on Instagram, and fans adore your style. Also, we have what we have observed is that you reply to each and every comment. So whether it's negative or positive, you take it in a humorous way, and we really love that. For example, one of the pictures, it was like a zebra, and one of the users, he wrote that zebra India ke bahar jana nahi
नहीं
chahiye,
जाना
and,
चाहिए.
and you
Yes,
actually
I really
posted
like
that.
that. Yeah, I really like that comment.
क्या मतलब, what is your motivation and who's your style icon?
Oh, I quite like PC, Priyanka Chopra.
Yeah.
I think she's amazing. I like Scarlett Johansson also. A
Correct.
lot of people that I follow and like and adore. Uh, I love having fun in life, I think. So मैं चीजें इतनी seriously नहीं लेती हूँ. I think that reflects somewhere in my being, and I'm glad that people take notice of this because often uh, an actor is perceived by his or her image. But I'm
Yeah.
really glad that people are able to see me as a person, as a normal human being.
So it looks effortless on the social media. So we saw your paragliding video also,
Yeah.
and we were quite amazed to see कि मजा भी आ रहा है, but at the time it's filled with thrill. So what's your biggest fear, and if you would like to sum up that paragliding incident or thing you had.
Well, this is something that has changed my life, honestly. I think I'm going to continue and pursue paragliding. It teaches you a lot about your life. It's a sport eventually. Any sport teaches you a lot. And you know how we say that travel changes something in you, but you can't really explain or pinpoint it. I think
Hmm.
with sports also, it's the same. You handle situations in a better way. You can handle your emotions in a better way, and it's an adventure sport, so it
Yeah.
has risks. Okay, but then I feel मैंने जो स्कूल चुना वो बहुत अच्छा स्कूल है. मुझे ऐसे भी कमेंट्स आए हैं कि इट्स वेरी रिस्की, व्हाई आर यू
Yeah.
डूइंग इट. But I think if you train correctly, if you have correct knowledge, if you can read the weather correctly, because it's weather related sport.
Yes.
I think if all the safety measures are taken properly, I think it's a great sport and it just sets you free.
And what's your biggest fear?
Fear, um, my fears are different. I'm really scared to lose people I really love. Uh, मतलब ये
That's one.
इमोशनल fears हैं ज्यादा.
इमोशनली अटैचमेंट हो जाती है.
हाँ हाँ, वो वाले fears ज्यादा बड़े हैं. But otherwise, I don't think I'm scared of anything.
Oh, that's super. Also, सही, being a celebrity is a big thing क्योंकि fans से इतना प्यार मिलता है. You are in the limelight all the time and you have to take care of yourself as well as your family. But,
So,
recently we saw that Saif Ali Khan attack incident happened, and, what do you have to say about this? कि actors कैसे अपनी security ensure करें, with all these cases coming in?
oh, it's really scary. It's very unfortunate. I am a huge fan of Seth. I think he's the coolest. He's the coolest cat that one can have.
Yeah.
Um, of our fraternity, ये बोल सकते हैं, Bollywood's coolest cat. And it's very unfortunate. क्या मतलब सारे मेजर्स तो लिए होंगे उन्होंने, पर
Hmm.
जो हुआ वो बहुत ही अनफॉर्चुनेट है. और I just hope that the culprit is punished in time and like properly punished. And I'm glad he's safe. I'm really happy he's safe. I've been praying for him.
He emerged as a fighter. He fought with that thief to protect his family. So what, on social media, it's like real to real life hero. Saif Ali Khan, he set an inspiration for many.
And I
So
think often people or society forgets that, these public figures, they are also humans. I
true.
mean, they are humans first and
Hmm.
then they are public figures. So one should never forget that, we are humans too. Like, we are humans, pehle, and then our whatever baggage comes with us.
So, what advice you would like to give to the aspiring actors, who are going to make a name for themselves in the industry, or who are, going to step into this field, creative field, because they only see the limelight and they don't see the hassle which goes behind it. Behind the scenes, they are not much aware about.
Oh, I think one should know that, you have to work every day on yourself, on your mental self, on your physical self, on everything. ऐसा नहीं होगा कभी कि ओह अब तो सब ऑटो पायलट पे चला गया है. It does not happen. You have to work towards it, and there's a lot of hard work. There are a lot of sacrifices in terms of, for example, my best friend is getting married and I'm shooting on that day. I cannot do anything about it. I have to be on set and be working.
Hmm.
So these kind of sacrifices. You मतलब कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना तो पड़ता ही है. And if
जी, जी.
it's a beautiful field, I would also like to say that it's a wonderful field with wonderful people. And please, one can absolutely look at this as a profession. It's a very fine profession. It's a very demanding but a very rewarding profession. And yes, please come explore your abilities. And we need good actors. India always needs good
Yeah.
actors.
So now there's a segment, it's called BL Quickie. So we need quick answers to our
Okay,
questions.
okay.
Yeah. So, for your first paycheck, at what age did you get it?
17 and a half, 18 years old.
And what was the work?
I was selected for MTV's Makeover,
Yeah.
and I was given conveyance like travel expenses. But मैं निकली शानी. I traveled by train and I spent that money on party.
Oh, wow. Super. And your celebrity crush, your childhood celebrity crush.
Childhood celebrity,
Yeah.
like Amir Khan.
And now his son Junaid is also, going to make his debut. So what are your views on that? He's already done commendable work in Maharaj, and so what do you have to say about that?
Oh, I wish him luck. I think he has a very stark presence on screen, and I'm looking forward to his work, future work.
So
You
what's
never
your
know.
fitness mantra? आपका packed schedule रहता है. So how do you devote your time अपने तरफ खुद के लिए?
I eat everything and I work out a lot. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सब कुछ खाना चाहिए और तगड़ा वर्कआउट करना चाहिए. एक ही लाइफ है. uh, of course, when a project comes where your physical, your physically, your physical appearance is important or different,
Yeah.
तब अलग चीज है. But if you ask me, everyday life, I love eating everything and I love burning those calories.
So there's no intermittent fasting happening in
No, 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 no.
we whenever we'll spot you around, we'll just see you having bahar ka khana, just munching like that.
Uh, not really. See, मैं खाने के लिए नहीं जीती हूँ, मैं जीने के लिए खाती हूँ, ये
जीने के लिए
फर्क है.
खाते हैं.
Yes. So I think what you put in your mouth is very important. What you eat is very important. Timings and your habits, eating habits
Yeah.
are very important. And especially in our profession where you're, demanded to be in a certain shape, look attractive.
Mhm.
ये
Yeah.
ये थोड़ा ध्यान देना पड़ता है, but otherwise I love eating everything.
एंड दिल्ली का खाना खाया, क्या पसंद है?
नहीं खाया कभी. हाँ, टुंडे कबाब खाए थे, बहुत पसंद है.
यहाँ पे आके छोले भटूरे नहीं खाए?
नहीं.
ओ यू शुड डेफिनेटली ट्राई. मुंबई का सबसे पसंदीदा खाना क्या है?
मुंबई का आई थिंक पानी पूरी.
पानी पूरी.
मुझे
इट्स
बहुत
एवरीवन
पसंद है पानी
टेलिंग
पूरी.
यहाँ का भी बहुत फेमस है. एंड व्हाट्स अ चीट मील लाइक, यू नो?
ओह, cheat meal.
या.
I don't know. It can be anything. Sometimes I will crave for a vada pav, or sometimes I'll crave for probably a pizza.
ऑलराइट. सो इन द कमिंग डेज हम आपको क्या देख सकते हैं, एक्शन करते हुए ज्यादा, और वी कैन सी यू इन रोमांटिक फिल्म्स. व्हाट पर्सनली, आई मीन, डू यू लाइक डूइंग मोर?
Oh, I like everything. I love doing everything. Um, इसके बाद, I think you will see me probably romancing someone. Then you will see me maybe dancing. Then you will see me maybe speaking in a different language. So
Oh
this year
wow,
is
super.
about adventures and lots of them.
It's a mix of all. So
Yes.
tips to survive in this competitive industry, from your own experience and from your own learnings. What are you, क्या ऐसा हो सकता है कि किसी को दोस्त मत समझो, दोस्त मत बनाओ इंडस्ट्री से? बिकॉज इन मैनी इंटरव्यूज वी हैव सीन कि इंडस्ट्री से किसी को दोस्त बनाना हानिकारक हो सकता है. सो इज इट
ऐसा
लाइक
कुछ नहीं है. I don't think all these are myths. I think आप अपने ट्राइब को इवेंचुअली ढूंढ लेते हो, एंड you sort of get along with them, and they stay in your life once you find your tribe. And I think सर्वाइवल के लिए खुद के पीस को प्रोटेक्ट करना बहुत जरूरी है. खुद की सैनिटी को प्रोटेक्ट करना बहुत जरूरी है. खुद को प्रायोरिटी देना बहुत जरूरी है. खुद के मेंटल स्टेट को प्रायोरिटी देना बहुत जरूरी है. सो टू सर्वाइव आई डू दीज थिंग्स.
all right. And who's helped you, to make your journey more enjoyable and supported you along the way? Is there any
My
person?
friends, my parents,
And
yeah, there are a lot of people, teachers, पर मेरे लाइफ में दोस्तों की जगह बहुत ज्यादा है, बहुत टॉप पे है। सो बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं मेरे, एंड आई हैव, आई मस्ट से दैट आई हैव अमेजिंग सेफ्टी नेट्स।
All right, thank you so much, and I'm really hoping to see you in person. All the very best for your upcoming projects, and
थैंक यू।
thank you so much. Thank you,
थैंक यू।
everyone.